Sidari Beach is located in the north part of Corfu, and the village under the same name, Sidari. When you enter to the village, please find Burger cafe from the left side and turn immediately right. It's very difficult to find this turn because no any sign or inscription. This is entrance to beach, to the park area. Initially I thought this is dead end, so please give orientation this Burger. And there is very big parking area free of charge. Usually there are a lot of ships, but the day before here was a very big storm and all the ships went away somewhere they hide from this storm. And you see this sand, here was water, wet sand, and I suppose here was the water yesterday. And yes, not so many people, windy, the water not so warm, and in the water there are a lot of sand and other things. Yesterday here was very heavy storm, and you see the water came, I think, almost at the end of this wooden deck. I suppose yesterday here were very big waves because the sand is wet. Can you imagine? The last sunbeds were under the water, I think, yesterday. So because of the yesterday's storm, the temperature of water is not so big, I think, and a little bit cold. There are some swimmers, but not so many. But yesterday I think nobody swam. Yes, but now it's okay. Yeah, almost to the trees the waves were coming. So this is Sidari Beach, nothing special, just very swallow bay. So as the sand is wet, I think the waves were reaching this area approximately. Can you imagine? All this area was under the waves. Sidari Beach.